They include the Abia, Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, and Imo states. Abia, Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, and Imo states. There are other states where you can find the Igbos. Why we don't include them as the major states is because not all the states speaks Igbo. There are some other tribe in that particular state. That is why we don't include them as the major states that speaks Igbo. It doesn't mean that they are not Igbos, they are pure Igbos. It's because they are situated in a particular state, they are joined together with another state that have other tribe in them. They include the River States and the Delta States. They speak Igbo. You can hear them wherever they are. You will understand them. And in these states that speaks Igbo, we have what we call tone or dialect. There is no language that doesn't have a dialect. The Igbos have dialects. The general Igbo that we speak that everybody understand, we call it Igbo Izugbe. Igbo Izugbe. Why the dialects are called Olundi, Olundi or Olumba. Olundi or Olumba. This Olundi or Olumba is the dialect that we speak in our different states. We call Anambra dialect, Imo dialect, and that Anambra dialect is not generally only Anambra. If you come to Anambra, you see different other dialects inside Anambra. If you come to Imo, you see different dialects inside Imo State. If you come to Enugu, you see different dialects inside Enugu State. Ebonyi State, the same thing, different dialects. Even our brothers in Deltas, they have different dialects in their own area. Igbo language is not only Igbo without a dialect. We have so many dialects. But if we want to communicate generally so that everybody can understand whatever you are speaking, we use what we call Igbo Izugbe, which is the generally accepted Igbo that we use in writing and in communicating. We call it Igbo Izugbe. Igbo Izugbe. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining me. Daalụ. Ka ọ dị.